Thank you so much for joining me today for another video. I'm really excited to have you guys here because, as you may have guessed by the title, I'm gonna do a full-on swatch video of the 5 new Colourpop Ultra Matte lip colors that they came out with. And if you guys are interested in just skipping right ahead to the colors that you're interested in, I do have timestamps listed in the description below, so just make sure to check those out and just go straight to the colors of your interest. I'll be doing swatches of all 5 of these liquid lipsticks, and I will be sharing a little bit of my opinion at the end of the video, so if you're interested in hearing my thoughts, then make sure you stay tuned. Before I jump right into the swatches though, I do want to let you guys know that these are sold for $6.50, so that's $6.50 on the Colourpop website, and the description on the website, oh, I'm eating my hair, ugh. And the description on the website says, the boldest formula of our liquid lipsticks in one smooth swipe. You'll get intense color payoff that dries down to a super matte, transfer-proof finish. As you guys can see, these are kind of all in like the nude zone. Some of these suit me and some of these don't. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how these liquid lipsticks look like on my skin tone, then just keep watching. You guys got a better idea of what these shades look like on my skin tone through the swatches, and I do want to share a little bit of my thoughts on them. A couple of them I found a little bit streaky. For example, the color that I'm wearing right now, it is a darker color, and I get that it's a little bit harder to make it more opaque, but I did find that, you know, some spots were a little streaky, so I had to go over them like a couple of times to make sure that it was giving me like full opaque color on my lips without, you know, leaving any of my flesh peeking through. Initially with one swipe, I did see some flesh peeking through. And I did see that same streakiness issue with that first shade that I swatched. It's called Midnight Snack, and it is a lighter, milkier, pinky nude color. I did notice like a little bit of streakiness. You do have to go over the patchy area like maybe once to make sure you have an even coverage of color. The 3 shades that I swatched in the middle, so you know, the first one was really pale and kind of almost like concealer on my lips feel, and this one is like bold statement kind of lip. These three are like so wearable, such nice everyday colors. I did really like them. They all have different kind of undertones. Whether that's like a pinky, peachy, or like a dusty rose, mauvey color feel, I did really love all of those three middle shades for like just everyday, super easy, no fuss kind of colors. So I do really like the, let me tell you the names of the shades that I like. WYD, Up All Night, and Buffy. So I really do like these shades. And of course, yes, these are liquid lipsticks, so they will definitely dry out your lips. I already feel my lips drying out a little bit, but look, completely transfer proof. So it's kind of like a give and take, right? You might get all day transfer proof wear, but it might not necessarily be 100% comfortable the whole duration of the time you're wearing this liquid lipstick. And I don't really wear liquid lipsticks on a daily basis anyway. I just wear them when I really need them to stay put. And yeah, these I think are definitely gonna be doing the job of not transferring, not going anywhere, but it might be a little bit dry. Alright guys, so that's basically it in terms of what I think about these liquid lipsticks. I hope you guys found it useful and, you know, got a better idea of what these shades look like on my skin tone or in general. And I hope that if you are new, you would join the Breath of Beauty family because we really are a good bunch. And if you do join, don't forget to click on the cute little notification bell to make sure you're not missing out on any of my future videos. With all of that said, remember you guys, you are beautiful, amazing, marvelous, no matter what anybody else tries to tell you. And please remember, I'm always rooting for you, and I'm so grateful that we are friends. Alright guys, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye!